friends, welcome to my channel Xamarin UI Design. Today we are going to learn UI design for hotel. I have created 3 UI. This is the list of places. When a user click on place, it will show the list of hotel of that place. Then when you click on the hotel, it will show the detail of the selected hotel. Okay. This is filter. This is again filter. This is again filter, and this is search text box. Okay. Here is the button for book now. Here is the detail that provide detail what is available in these hotels and detail of the rooms. Okay. In the hotel list, this is the image for hotel room. This is the name of hotel, address, price, how many days and night, and it will show the kilometers from the center location of your mobile. Okay. So before starting this, please visit this website. It has the code. I will explain this code. You can copy all this code from here. Okay. I will share this link in the description box. So let's begin. First page is so this is the main control is grid control. Okay, this is having row. This is height 40, 40, and this is auto, and 50. Then stars means all the remaining space, and padding is 10. It will create space in all the sides. Then for first row, I have added label for hello friends, second label for find hotel, which having row height 40. Here font size is 25. I have set -7 margin here because the space is more. I want to show less space between hello friends and find hotel. So I have set -7, so it will move upward. After that, this is frame. Okay, under the frame I have added the entry. Entry means text box. Okay, this is custom entry. I will show you code. You have to create a dependency code for custom entry. Just create. You can copy this code from the website I have shown you earlier. Create custom control classes in main project. Then create render in the Android and iOS project. Okay. So you can copy all this code from the given link in description box. After that, this is the label for popular places, which height is 50. And after that, collection view. So this is the last control in the grid. So I added star, so it will occupy all the spaces that's here. So this is collection view. The span is 2, so it will show 2 columns. If you put 3, then it will show 3 columns. Okay. And this is a template. You will see the template. So a template. This is main control is grid. Frame is round corner right radius 50, and padding is 50, sorry 5, so it will show space between the images. And after that I have used this I have used two row. This is 150 row, 150 height. In first row I have added frame having image. In the same row I have added uh, label. This is the name for the places, and after that description. You can add in same row. You have to add margin in bottom, so it will move down. Or you can, I have added in second row and move that label upward by using -6. Okay, so it will show on the images. Or else you can create like a frame on row first, create another grid on first row and add these two labels. Okay, and vertical option will be end and expand, so it will move down. There are many options, you can use anyone or copy this code from here. Another, okay, I will show you how I have assigned the value to the collection view. So I have just created list of base model. This is property, this name, description and the images. So I have assigned value and create a method. This is the name and description and assign the images, image part. And assign this method to the collection view item source. So this method will be bind to this collection view and it will load all the data. Next image is list of hotel of selected place. So we will see that. Okay, this is the label. This is font awesome. You can copy this code from the link. I will share that link in the description box. Here is class I created for font awesome. Just copy this all code, create file, and then in asset add this file. Okay, I have attached this file. You can download this and same in, you have to add that file in the resource in iOS project. Create a namespace for font awesome. I have added here in font outside in the class in the project itself. So I have used namespace as hotel UI design. You can copy this namespace from here only. So the namespace should be matched as given in the class. So main control is grid. It had padding 20 and 2 columns and the number of rows. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers of rows. In the first row and first column, it has text, and the second column in the same row, I have added font awesome having filter icon. Okay, I want to let you know that from here you will not know that what this code means adjustment, how it will display. So go through the font or some cheat sheet. It has name. Same name is available in this class. So it has a icon with name. So it will not be difficulty for you. So this name will show which images. So just look it here. Which image you want? Just copy this code. Sorry, this text and find here. Use this that property here. Okay. After that, I added stack layout. Stack layout had this is frame. Under the in the frame, I have added label. Okay, the same it is repeat for this and this. So this stack layout and orientation is horizontal. So it will show that frame in horizontal way. After that, I have added box view. It will show line. Okay. So box view. So I have used height is equal to 1. So it will show line. Box view height will not be set from here. You have to always set in row definition. After that, set your filter by using stack layout orientation horizontal. This is the title to select the property of the selected place. And this is the list view. Let's see template for the list view. And this is a list view template. The main control is stack layout. Stack layout I have added frame. Under the frame I have added grid. And this is the class. Okay, I assign the data type is class. Please assign class to the data type. It will be very easy to assign property. If you not assign this class, then it will not uh, show the property name in IntelliSense. For example, I want to use address. It will show in the IntelliSense. If you not use this, then it will not show in the IntelliSense. Okay, I recommend you to use that class name in the data type. It has two columns because I have two column here, and row definition. Uh, four row. So first row image. This is the image. After that, this frame and opacity is 0.5. So I want to show in opacity way. So I add opacity, background red, and give an added text in the frame. Okay. This is the label. First row, first column, second row, first row, second column. This is second row, first column, second row, second column, and this is the correspond to for the third column. Okay. And all these are labels. Hope you understand this page. Let's move to the another page. This page is for detail of the selected hotel. Okay. So main control is grid. I have added images in frame, and image margin is -20, so it will remove all the padding of the frame. After that, this is stack layout in second row. having this label and uh, I have forget to assign star here. You can assign star here from the code behind. Just use the like this one. Means you if you want to show 4 star, you can combine all these solid all the font or some label font or some text in the code behind. I forget this. After that, in second row, there's label and this is the icon for showing marker. This is label for detail. This is label for this is fourth row, and this is the fifth row having frame having stack layout having two labels. This is icon and label for um, what is available in the hotel. Okay, so I repeated all this here only. You can, if you want, you can create control for this and create property and assign property value here only. So it will not take much more time. After that, add text uh, for the label for the hotel details and description, sorry. And after that, add in the last row, use vertical option and an expand, so it will move to the end, stick to the end, and use height 60, and I have added label, and this is button having corner radius 20. Okay, hope you understand this UI design. If you have any question, then ask me in the comment section. All the links will be available in the description. Thank you.